talk. My god, this is there's so much going on all at once. There's going to be music again. I have to go. Bhavani is here. I'm going to pick her up, and it's exciting. So I took a little maza break, and my voice is echoing. We are going for some of our dance practices. There's going to be Sangeet, and we barely have 2 hours, and there's a whole script, and there's like, since I came in last moment, I have like 2 songs only, but let's see how it goes. Okay, I have to go. Bye bye bye. It can be like a BTS or something, so you can enter from there. हम actual practice करेंगे, okay? Oh, you don't mind looking at it, ना? हाँ, I don't. ठीक है. 5, 6, 7, 8,
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So now we are at the wedding venue, wedding reception venue, Sangeet wedding. Okay, now it's the bridal entry. Let's watch. This is the final look. I could not shoot the whole thing because mascara went into my eyes, and I was trying for like this pink thing. It turns out well. So now it's time for us to go, and we're gonna dance on the Sangeet. Khula khula hadam. We actually got stuck in the first time taking the key. Okay, so I had a tiny mishap. My shoe was destroyed, and I had to switch to these heels. Now I don't know how I will dance, but koshish hai. Say hi. Okay, time for Sangeet. Pinky pinky, brown and brownie, pinky pinky, goldy goldy, silver silver. Okay, so the Sangeet ceremony is done, and I don't know who let the dogs out. Anyway, oh, now they're quiet. So now we are heading upstairs. Some of them are still not done with dinner. So Bhavani and I are heading upstairs, and we are like really tired, and she's taking pictures. Selfies. Done with your selfies? Yeah. Man, it is tiring. And after my mishap, if you guys remember, I wore heels and I danced in heels. Did you also dance in heels? Yes. I don't know how we managed that. Hi guys, time to crash, and we're like very tired. And we smuggled some water. It's water, okay, H2O. और कुछ गलत मत समझना. Naughty people. Okay, our floor is here. Our floor is here. Now it's time to go to sleep. Adios. Hasta la vista. Hey, and look who's with me. Show some enthusiasm, but no, we are tired. We are tired. We danced for. We practiced for like. We practiced for almost 2 hours for a 20-second dance. How can it end so fast? Adios. Hasta la vista.
And we traveled.
We traveled
14-hour bus.
It was bad. It was extremely bad. That's why I did not show any part of that in this. But anyway, it's time to hit the bed. Ticket tomorrow. It's at what wedding is at 9:30. And what time is it? I don't have a watch.
Okay.
1 a.m.
1-1.
Okay, bye. Good night. Hi, we're ready. Are we ready?
Yes.
Kirti, in her own word. We're finally going. Let's go, let's go. This is the fit. Okay, weird angles. Yeah, it's like, I'll show you properly later. So now it's time to go. So the bride has arrived. I feel like I say this dialogue so much, but wait. She's there. I'll give you a better look of her a little later. Right now there's some photo session thing going on, and we are waiting for that, and she's distracted. Hi.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness.
we're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now.
Hi, we are back in the room. We are exhausted to the bone. Yeah, I just look taller than her because I'm wearing 4-inch heels, and my feet hurts. My feet is killing, and so are these. Like, although Indian clothing is beautiful, it hurts. I have scars like over here and here. It's crazy. Now we are just going to change, get a little freshened up, and then go for the reception. Hello. So Nathdwara is famous for Srinathji temple, and it's a missed opportunity if we don't do it. Okay, like Fruit Ninja. Cool. So now we are planning to go there by rickshaw, and it's hardly 10 minutes from the venue of the wedding. And I'm like super tired, but after coming this far, how can you forget to do this? Oh, there's a lake.
Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live while we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
So we are back from our little shopping spree in Nathdwara, and after visiting the temple. So basically, when we went inside the temple, we were not allowed to carry even water, let alone cell phones. So I could not capture any of the beauty that was inside, but it was surreal, out of this world. The architecture was amazing, and after that we went for a little shopping, the snippets of which you just saw. And now we're back and we're going for the reception. Turns out I don't have the energy to wear a sari. This is the outfit. Okay, there is background music playing. This is the outfit, and beautiful shoes for reception, because apparently we were super tired and now we are going. Why am I noticing this just now? The lift is nice. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did, and I did so much shopping. I'm really excited about it. Well, journey is coming to an end, but there's going to be a separate journey for tomorrow, and there's going to be a separate vlog for that. Stay tuned for that, and make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you guys next time. And this is Alpha Meta signing off. Peace. See ya. Subscribe. Bye. Right to this place. So now we are heading from Nathdwara to Udaipur, and we are going to chalo. Now we're going to board a bus from Nathdwara to Udaipur. Let's go.